Hi guys, welcome to Craft It Up. Today we are going to make a 2-ribbon boutique hair bow like the one right here. So in order to make it, we are going to need 2 different color ribbons that are 1.5 inch wide and a little piece of a coordinating ribbon that's 5/8 inch wide, like this one. Okay, we're also going to need a pair of scissors, a French barrette or an alligator clip, a needle with some embroidery thread, a lighter, and a hot glue gun. Okay, so let's begin. We're going to grab one of our 1.5 inch wide ribbons and we are going to fold them in the middle, right in the middle. Okay, we're going to use our lighter to heat it up a little bit and crease it. Okay, all right. So what we're going to do first is we're going to grab one of the ends and we're going to loop it around and take it to the crease right here, right in the middle. Okay? Just like I did it like that, giving it a little angle. All right? And then we're going to grab the other end and we're going to do the same thing the other way, like looping it around the other way and taking it right on top of the other end that we put down there, like that. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our needle with our thread and we are going to push it down first from the top to the bottom first, okay? And then we're going to push it back up and down again. This has to be right through the middle where our crease was, okay? Just make sure your needle is going through the crease, along the crease. Push it back up again, back down, back up, and back down. Okay, and then just wind it up and make a knot. And cut that out right there. Okay, so you have to have your first ribbon right here, like this one. Okay, now you're going to grab your other ribbon and do the same thing. You are going to fold it in half, heat it, and make a crease. Now we're going to take one of the ends right to the crease, right here. And the other end, we're going to do the loop the other way around and take it back to the crease right here. Okay, we're going to grab our needle and our thread and we are going to make sure that we do it right through the crease, okay? So we're going to push the needle through, take it up, then down and up again, down, and up again. Okay, push it through and wind it up. And make a knot. Okay, and cut that out. So now we have our 2 bows, okay? And what we're going to do is we are going to stack them, okay? We are going to stack them, just like fit them up, cross them over, okay? Grab one and stack it over the other one. Just make sure it looks good, okay? And then we're going to use our glue gun. We're going to put a dot of glue right there. And we are going to stack it up there. Okay? Just make sure you move it around a little bit. And make sure everything is in place. There we go. Okay? And it should be looking something like that. Now you're going to grab your 5/8 inch wide coordinating ribbon and you are going to make a simple knot like this. Okay, the more you pull on it, the smaller the knot will be. I don't like pulling on it too much. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to first try it on. I'm going to pull it up a little bit more. There you go. And then I'm going to make sure I like how it looks. And it looks pretty nice. Okay. So I am going to put a dot of glue right here in the middle. And just pull on it a little bit. Okay, while I do that, I'm going to fix and flip my ribbon out a little bit. Just make sure the loops are nice and the way I want them looking. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it around and put a dab of glue on the sides. That, and then I'm going to pull again just so it glues on well, and I'm going to adjust my ribbons again. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to trim this off a little bit. These ends, they're too long. And I'm going to get my French barrette I'm going to use right now. I'm going to take out the inside of it. Okay. And I'm going to put some glue right here where it's going to go. And I'm going to put it right there. And just press for a little while so that it glues on well. Okay, now we are going to put some glue right here. Push one of the side ends of the ribbon right there and cut off the excess. And then put a little more glue on top of the ribbon and glue the other side on. Okay. And again, I am going to cut off the excess right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat seal these ends so they don't fray. Okay. And now I'm going to put this back. There we go. And we have our 2-ribbon boutique hair bow. Just fix up your loops. And voila, there you go. I hope you like it, guys. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to watch another video from Crafted Up, click on the next video. I'll see you next time.